In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upscale your video to 4K in Adobe After Effects. The first thing you need to do is to come over here to the composition menu and scroll down and select composition settings and change the resolution from whatever it is to 4K settings, which is 3840 by 2160, and hit OK. And you'll notice that this video has become smaller. Now, the wrong thing to do is to select this video and drag it to fill the screen. What you'll notice is that the video becomes blurry and you have lost a lot of details over here. The proper way to fix this is to come over to Effects and Presets and search for Detail-preserving Upscale and drag it to your video layer over here. Next, come over here and select Fit to Comp With. And the next thing you want to do is to increase the detail amount from 50 to 100. Next, come over to Effects and Presets and search for Sharpen and apply the Sharpen effect onto your video layer and apply the Unsharp mask to your video layer over here and change the Sharpen amount to 25 and under Unsharp mask, change the radius to 3. And that's it guys on how to upscale your video to 4K in Adobe After Effects.